So today we are going to start the discussion of five elements. Five elements. Very important thing. बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. चाहे आप एक्यूपंक्चरिस्ट हैं, whether you are acupuncturist or you are astrologist or you are वास्तु शास्त्री, चाहे आप वास्तु करते हैं, एस्ट्रो करते हैं, एक्यूपंक्चर करते हैं, द नॉलेज ऑफ फाइव एलिमेंट इज इसेंशियल. पांच तत्वों की जानकारी जरूरी है. On the one side, we are discussing about the yang energies. On the other side, we are discussing about the yin energy, yang energy, who is going upward, who is circulating, who is running, who is expanding. Yang energy का अर्थ है जो expand कर रही है. And the meaning of yin energies, who is going downward, who is contracting, जो contract कर रही है, जो वापस आ रही है, who is returning back. That is the meaning of yin energy, returning back. So when yang energy is expanding, is expand like this, going upward and upward and upward, like this. In the same way, when it reaches on the maximum, जब yang energy अपने peak पर पहुंच जाती है, then yin energy start coming back. So this is the yin energies coming back like this. Yang energy we are dividing in three parts: part number 1, part number 2, and part number 3. Yin energy also be dividing in three parts: part number 1, part number 2, and the part number 3. Then we are telling it five element. The five element means there are multiple parts of the yang and the multiple parts of the yin. तो जैसे हमें कुछ सीखना है तो हम पहले क्या सीखेंगे? हम धीरे धीरे we will learn something slowly. Like first we are learning in the first standard, then we are learning in the second standard, the third standard. Okay, we want to go on the height. हम height पे जाना चाहते हैं. So first we'll go in the lower stairs. पहले नीचे के जीनों पर चढ़ेंगे, फिर और ऊपर, right? In the same way, when we want to discuss the yang, so we are dividing the yang in three parts. Okay, we are going this, then again this, again this. And we are dividing the yin also in the three part, coming back. So 3, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. These 6 things are called 6 energies, and also we tell them 5 elements. So let's try to understand here. यहाँ पर हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. So first we can tell yang here and the yin here. Now we are dividing the yang in 3 parts and we are dividing the yin in 3 parts. Okay, so first we are telling wind, second we are telling heat, and third we are telling hotness. Means wind means starting of the yang, then we are going, heat means more yang, hotness means super yang. On the other side we are telling dampness, dryness, and coldness. This is the yin. So these 3 energies are here, 3 energies are here. Altogether we are telling them 6 energies. We know that we are discussing when 6 key, 6 energies, Sujok 6 key. So we are working as per these 6 energies. हम सुजोग 6 की में इन्हीं 6 ऊर्जाओं की बात करते हैं. Now, when we count them as a 5 elements, so we are telling wind is coming under the Bud energies. Bud is the first energy. Then heat and hotness, both together coming in the fire energies. So the meaning of fire is heat and hotness. When we talk about the dampness, dampness will be the earth energy. So dampness का अर्थ हो गया हमारी earth energy. Then dryness will be the metal energies, and the coldness will be the water energy. In this way, we can see there are five energies: wood, fire, earth, metal and water. ये पांच चीजों को हम कहते हैं फाइव एलिमेंट्स. सो लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द फाइव एलिमेंट. चलिए हम फाइव एलिमेंट्स की बात करते हैं. द टू एलिमेंट ऑन द यांग साइड and the three element on the yin side. Let's discuss about this. So let's divide these two energies, means yang energies and the yin energies, in the five energies. Okay. So on the one side now we can see yang. Yang means wood and fire. Fire is having two parts, heat and hotness. And wood is having only one part, that is wind, like air, wind. So the two energy on the yang side. And the three energy on the yin side, earth. Earth means dampness or the humidity. Dampness. Then the metal. Metal means dryness. And water means coldness. So the three energy on the yin side. So two energies are here, three energies are here. Both together are called five elements. इनको हम five elements कहते हैं. इनका ही अभी हम डिस्कशन करेंगे. So let's start with a very interesting thing. What's your personality? आपकी personality क्या है? आपकी date of birth देखिए. See your date of birth. Suppose your date of birth is 9080. So last is 0. Or your date of birth is 9081. So last is 1. Okay, maybe you are having 4th April 9080, or maybe 22nd August 9081. In the last we have 0 and the last we have 1. Your personality will be metal. 0 and 1 means you are a person of metal personality. आपके अगर डेट ऑफ बर्थ के लास्ट में अगर 0 और 1 आता है, आप मेटल पर्सनैलिटी को बिलोंग करते हैं. If 2 and 3 is coming, you are a water personality. If 4 and 5 is coming, suppose you are born in the 1984 or you are born in the 1995. So 4 or 5 is coming, then you belong to the wood personality. Suppose the 6 and 7 is coming. Suppose you are born on the 1996 or you are born on the 1987. 6 and 7 coming the last, then you are a fire personality. If 8 and 9 is coming, then you are a earth personality. तो ये आपकी personality है. So write on your personality. आप किस personality को belong करते हैं? फिर then I will tell you few things about your personality. आपकी कौन सी personality है लिखिए. Whether you belong to the wood personality. Real date of birth, marksheet वाली नहीं.
Sir, I belong to metal.
लिखिए chat box में
Metal.
फिर मत दे. So which personality you belong to? You belong to metal personality, or you belong to water, or you belong to wood, or you belong to fire, earth. So wood personality means, wood means like a kids. Wood is like always they want to do something. Wood personality का मतलब है जो हमेशा कुछ करना चाहते हैं. जैसे बच्चों को पूछे चलो घूमने, always ready. So the person belong to the wood personality, always want to keep doing something. And the most sensitive part of the person is liver. इस व्यक्ति के बॉडी में जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट लिवर होगा, उसको लिवर की बीमारियां होंगी. The person will be suffering with the liver problem. Like might be female is having this condition, so take care for the liver blood deficiency, for the uterine problem, for the many problem which is connected with the liver. Okay, liver connected problems. So they are having liver personality, wood personality in the same way. If you are belong to the fire personality, You are a very fiery person. You are a very dynamic person. But the most sensitive part is the heart. You are having very good heart, but whatever is good, that will suffer because you are using more. जो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा उसी को आप ज्यादा यूज करोगे. सो द फायर पर्सनैलिटी के लोग आप देखोगे उनका हार्ट सेंसिटिव होगा. दे हैव टू टेक केयर देयर हार्ट. दे नीड टू टेक केयर heart attack or something like that, right? So 6 and 7 number belong to fire personality. How many percent fire? Fire. Okay. Now 8 and 9 number earth personality, very stable personality. जैसे थोड़ा स्थिरता है, स्टेबिलिटी है because of the earth element.
Rigid.
And the most sensitive part in the human body of this person is spleen. Spleen. So they might be suffering with the spleen deficiencies. They might be suffering with the hemoglobin problem, vitamin problems. This person, the most sensitive part will be the spleen. And many other problems like the varicose veins, right? If you belong to the water personality, the most sensitive part will be the bone and the reproductive parts, genital parts, or the urinary bladder might suffer with the urinary infections, uterine problem. आपकी पर्सनैलिटी आप चेक कर सकते हैं. It means wood personality means you are like a wood. Your liver is very sensitive. Fire personality means your heart is sensitive. You have blessed with good heart. आपका जन्म हुआ है, आपको अच्छा हार्ट दिया गया है. And even these person might suffer with a heart problem like the high blood pressure. अर्थ पर्सनैलिटी माइट बिकम ओवरवेट. ये इनका वजन बढ़ सकता है. And metal personality might suffer with many problems like the skin problem or the lung issue. And the water personality might suffer with the bone problem and all. So this is the very wonderful check that whether you are coming in the yang personality or you are coming in the yin personality. If your personality is wood or fire, you are yang personality. And if your energy is earth, metal and water, you are yin personality. आपकी यह personality है. So this is the personality check as per 5 elements. Let's move ahead. कुछ कुछ मिलता है जिनकी जो पर्सनैलिटी है.
यस सर।
कोई कुछ कुछ लक्षण मिलते हैं आपके. और भी देखना बहुत सारे लक्षण होते हैं. अभी हम बहुत we will be discussing too many things now. Then you will see, yes, that if you are a fire personality, then balance your fire with the opposite color, right? If you are a wood personality, then balance your wood with the opposite color. Because हमें opposite color से उस चीज को because we are driving our car with very fast. We are balancing the car with the brakes, with the brake. है ना? So we are always balancing any personality with the opposite color. If you are a young personality, then you have to balance yourself with the yin. Right? So in this way, this is the personality. Now let's move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this is the chart. Too many things given here. Too many things. What is the wood personality? What is the color? What is the things coming under the wood personality? What coming in the fire? What coming in the earth, metal and water? Okay, let's discuss them here. So first let's discuss about the directions. अगर हम घर में बात करें, हमारे घर में, when we are talking about the वास्तु शास्त्र, वास्तु, the east is the direction of बुध. पूरब की दिशा बुध की है, ईस्ट. If we see the country, east area of the country is wood. If we see our city, the east part is the wood. If you see our home, the east is wood. Best is metal. Best metal है. Hello, actually class is going on, so
Okay. Okay.
south is the direction of fire. We will discuss this thing. This very wonderful thing. South is the direction of fire. दक्षिण की दिशा फायर की दिशा है. Gujarat, if you see the Gujarat coming in the best metal, right? North, like Himalaya, is the direction of water. And if you go in the south, like the South India, there is a fire. And the center part, that is the earth element. So we can see all the elements as per the directions. These are the directions. Now, very wonderful thing I want to tell you. Let's see here. South is the direction of fire. South. Okay. So in the home, if we see in our home, अगर हम अपने घर में देखें, east is, we know east, we know west, we know north and we know south. हम घर में जानते हैं कि कहां पर पूरब है, कहां पर पश्चिम है, कहां पर उत्तर है, कहां दक्षिण है. पूरब पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण. We know that. And this is the center. So east means wood, west means metal, south means fire, and the north means water, and center will be the earth. The direction. What is the importance of this direction? I will tell you very quickly. Let's see here. There's a very famous story of the China, the king of China, always facing south while commanding the all the people. जब चाइना का राजा हमेशा दक्षिण में मुख करके बैठता था. Because when we are facing the south, we are getting fire energies. अभी तो मैं इतना ध्यान नहीं देता, लेकिन पहले मैं जब क्लास लेता था ना, मैं हमेशा साउथ में मुंह करके बैठता, हमेशा. Because south is the direction of fire, we are getting more fire energies. And fire means heart. Heart is giving energy to your tongue. Heart is giving you commanding power. The south is the direction of fire. South is the direction of command. South is the direction of leadership. So the king of China used to face south while commanding the people, right? So that's why we can see south is the direction of Lord Hanumana. Hanuman is a red in the color, right? So even if we talk about the very important thing here, the second thing I would like to bring your focus here, married couple always should sleep heading south. जो मैरिड कपल होते हैं उनको हमेशा साउथ की तरफ सिर करके सोना चाहिए, so that they have good fire. Good fire means good heart, good heart chi, good heart energy, and it will create the good love and even good sexual power. Good sexual power, because sexual power is also coming from the fire, and the love and the heart is also getting energies from the south. So married couple recommended to head toward the south. उनको हमेशा ये सलाह दी जाती है कि वो दक्षिण की ओर सिर करके सोएं, right? Now if we talk about the dead body, in the Hindu culture you can see the keeping the dead body in a way, so head should be toward the north side. because north is the direction of coldness, just we have seen कि उत्तर की दिशा ठंड की दिशा है, कोल्ड की दिशा है, राइट. सो नाउ बॉडी हैज बिकम कोल्ड. अब शरीर ठंडा हो चुका है, अब शरीर की गर्मी निकल चुकी है, तो शरीर को दक्षिण की ओर सिर करके रखा जाता है, राइट. बॉडी इज kept like this, so that head should be in the north direction. Even if the person is suffering with a fever, person is suffering with the heat or the inflammatory conditions or the too much heat, we can tell the person heading toward the north. अगर व्यक्ति को कोई फीवर आ गया, शरीर में गर्मी बढ़ गई, तो हम उसे उत्तर की तरफ सिर करके लेटा सकते हैं. अल्टीमेटली नॉर्थ इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ कोल्डनेस, नॉर्थ इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाटर. So we can use as a remedy. हम इसे रेमेडी की तरफ यूज कर सकते हैं. Now, if we ask the children, children should always study while facing the east, because east is the direction of Bud. East, Bud की दिशा है. Bud means you are more alert, you are more aware. आप बहुत ज्यादा अलर्ट हैं, आप बहुत ज्यादा अवेयर हैं. Bud is giving you enthusiasm. Bud आपको बच्चों की तरह, जैसे बच्चे कैसे उछल कूद मचाते हैं, शांत नहीं बैठते हैं. In the same way, because when we are praying the God, we are facing toward the east, because east is giving you alertness, awareness, because prayer means you are fully alert, you are not sleeping, right? But personally, I will tell you, sometimes my mind become very hyperactive. I'm telling about me. I'm doing my some work, my mind become hyperactive. I turn my side, I to face toward the best पश्चिम, क्योंकि माइंड ओवर एक्टिव हो रहा है भाई, हाइपर एक्टिव हो रहा है, इसे थोड़ा कम करना है. पश्चिम. Generally, we should always telling kids to face toward the east, because during the childhood we should have good Bud energies. हमारे पास Bud energy अच्छी होना चाहिए. If Bud energy is good, then only child will be getting good growth. तभी बच्चे की लंबाई बढ़ेगी. Bud के बिना लंबा नहीं होगा. There should be good Bud energies to have the good growth. So personally, I am doing this. If mind is becoming hyperactive, I turn my face to the west. Otherwise, east is a very good direction, whether you study or you pray or you meditate, because the meditation means is not the sleeping. Meditation means you are closing your eyes, but you are fully alert. That is the meaning of meditation. So now we have understood the beautiful meanings of all the direction. हमने सभी direction का मतलब समझ गया. Let's move to the colors of the 5 elements, because color of the 5 elements we are also using in the color therapy. हम color therapy में इसका use करते हैं. So Bud means green, that is the Bud. Fire means we can see red color, that is the fire. Yellow is earth element. This is the yellow color, we can see earth element. Then the metal element is white or brown. And finally, we can see the black color is the color of water. So now we have discussed, we will be discussing the color of 5 elements. अगर अब हम देखते हैं कि ये कलर है. The Bud means green or even the light blue or the green color coming under the Bud energies. The red color and the pink color coming in the fire energy. So we know the fire is having 2 parts, heat and hotness. So the red color belong to heat and the pink color or the orange color belong to hotness. Then earth means yellow color. Metal either the white or brown, and the water means dark blue or the black color. Now we will see the impact. अगर आपकी fire personality है, so it's suggestion for you wear the opposite color. Okay, you can try. अगर आपका fire deficient है, तो the red color will be good for you. But if fire is excessive, then it's better to wear the opposite color to balance your constitution. इसीलिए ऑफिस का, घर का रंग कैसा हो, ये भी आपके पर्सनैलिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा। आपके ऑफिस का, आपके घर का, आपके कपड़ों का रंग कैसा है, ये आपकी कुंडली के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, ये आपके पर्सनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। यू नीड टू बैलेंस एवरीथिंग अकॉर्डिंगली। सो लेट्स सी हियर अगेन, the light blue color belong to wood and the dark blue color belong to water. Remember, if the color is light blue, it is the wood. If the color is dark blue, it is the water. Right? The red color belong to fire and the pink color also belong to fire. So this is the heat and here is the hotness. Right? Okay. Let's simplify this. इसको और हम simplify कर। तो चलिए अब हम देखते हैं कि कपड़ों का क्या असर होता है हमारे ऊपर। What are the benefits of wearing the different clothes? So green will increase the wood element. Whether you wear the green color clothes or green color bangles or the green color rings or the green color nail polish, they are increasing the wood element, right? It depends if you already having hyperactive wood. अगर आपकी पर्सनैलिटी में वैसी हाइपर एक्टिविटी है, इट्स नॉट रिकमेंडेड। लेकिन अगर कोई व्यक्ति यिन पर्सनैलिटी का है, कम एक्टिव है, और उसको कोई ऐसा काम करना है जिसमें ज्यादा एक्टिव होकर काम करना है, always can wear the wood color. Wood color will make you super active because wood color is the color of the green is the color of wood personality. In the same way, the red color, if you see the red color is the color of heat or the fire. Even the pink color is increasing the fire. You know the pink color looks very eye catching. जो लोग pink color पहनते हैं ना, पिंक कलर दूर से ही एकदम आई कैचिंग होता है, बिकॉज द पिंक कलर इज द कलर ऑफ फायर एंड द पिंक कलर इज द कलर ऑफ हॉटनेस, राइट? हॉटनेस. So yellow is the color of earth element. So wearing the yellow color is improving the earth. अगर ऐसा लगता है कि भाई वुड बढ़ गया है, there is too much wood, too much yang energy, you want to calm down. If the person is having too much energies who is making the person hyperactive, you can go with the yellow color. We will discuss the what is the opposite color shortly, but yellow color will be increasing the earth element. In the same way, the white color, the brown color will be increasing the metal element, whether you wear the bangle of the white color, cloth of the white color, or the applying some nail polish or applying wearing some ring, it will increase the metal element. In the same way, if you are wearing the dark blue color or the black color, it will be increasing the water element. अगर किसी के शरीर में फायर बड़ी है तो वो व्यक्ति जब ब्लैक कलर पहनेगा उसे अच्छा लगेगा. So color also depend on personality. So we can't tell everyone, okay, you wear just a white color or okay, you wear just a red color. The color person always be attracted toward the balancing color. अगर व्यक्ति को आप छोड़ दो सब कलर के बीच में, तो डेफिनेटली पहले तो अपनी पॉकेट देखेगा कि कितने पैसे हैं उसके पास, फिर देखेगा कि मेरे ऊपर कौन सा कलर, उस अपने आप उसका दिमाग वहीं जाएगा, आई कैचिंग होगा. विच कलर विल बैलेंस द person will attract toward that color. Or even we can suggest the person, okay, this color is good for you, so go with this color. I will tell you, when many person, this is my personal recommendation to many person, I have told to many of my patient, if they are having too much fire, I tell, okay, wear black color, because many person telling, okay, don't wear black color. I personally tell them, okay, you wear black color, and they tell, when I wear black color or the dark blue color, they feel good, they feel cool, उन्हें बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, okay, शांत लगता है, right? If the person is fire personality, it's very good to wear the dark blue color or the black color, opposite color. It will balance the personality, ये उनकी personality को balance करेगा. So this is wonderful concept as per the 5 elements. Even if we talk about the home, अगर अपने घर की बात करें, ऑफिस की बात करें, we talk about the home or the office. So we can see the green color in the home will be increasing the mood and it will increase the activity because mood means activity. Mood means more clients. Mood का मतलब है कि ज्यादा client आएंगे, right? Mood means activity. Like kids jumping here and there, it is the mood element. Now fire will increase the fire means this is the red color will increase the fire. जब आप फायर के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पढ़ोगे then you will see the fire means maximum performance. You are having good client, you are having too many clients, but you are not able to do performance, it is also bad thing. So red color will increase the fire, whether the red color chair or the walls or whatever. And the pink color also will increase the fire because red and pink are the color of hotness. Yellow color will increase the earth element. Yellow color earth element को increase करेगा, right? In the same way, white or brown color will increase the metal. So we are living in the white home or the living in the brown color home, especially white home. They are increasing the metal element. Metal element means very higher stability. Metal element का अर्थ होता है कि एकदम स्थिर मेटल के समान चंचलता जहां पर समाप्त हो जाती है वहां उसे मेटल कहते हैं. तो मेटल मीन्स देयर इज नो फ्लक्चुएशन, नो डेविएशन. मेटल मीन्स हायर स्टेबिलिटी, राइट? And the dark blue or the black color is the color of water. Many times we need water because person is already having too much fire or maybe want to sell something. अब मान लो आपको कॉफी इंक्रीजिंग द फायर, राइट? अब आपको कॉफी की शॉप खोलना है, यू कैन गो विद वाटर कलर बिकॉज कॉफी इटसेल्फ इज फायर, you can balance it. And the person also belong to fire, you can balance it. It also depend on the person. So in this way, this is the 5 elements comparison. Now if we see the finger, we know the body is made by 5 element, even the hand is also made by 5 element. हमारा
Sir, can you please repeat about the water?
ये वाटर,
हाँ.
तो मैंने ये कहा कि जैसे मान लो हमने देखा है कि if the person is having fire personality, अगर व्यक्ति की personality fire है, and if person is want to sell some product which is connected to the fire, like some thing like coffee, very hot in the nature. I have given this example. I have given just an example. Anything
Yeah.
which is having too much fire. So we can balance
Okay.
where we are selling it under the water territory. हम उसे water की
Okay.
territory में sell कर रहे हैं. तो इससे क्या होगा कि उसके this is like even the person is having too much fire, so he can sit there, he will feel very cool there because this surrounding is dark blue or the black, the person feel very cool. And if the person will feel cool, then the 5 element will become cool. क्योंकि ultimately the home and office connected with you, आपका घर आपका ऑफिस आपसे कनेक्टेड है, तो इसीलिए हमें
Okay.
5 elements के अकॉर्डिंगली ही वर्क करना होता है. So now we are coming to we are discussing about the color therapy. In the color therapy, we are using this concept because our finger is also made by 5 elements. In the Sujok we know. So they are the lines. So we can see this is the first line here, the line of metal. The second line is the line of fire or the hotness. The third line is also the fire of heat, line of heat. And the next line is the line of earth. Next line is the line of wood, and the last line is the line of water. Suppose the person is having too much heat in the body, just take a blue color or the black color and apply here. Apply here dark blue. Now increase the water. अगर व्यक्ति को ज्यादा गर्मी लग रही है तो ये यहाँ पर एक पूरे नीले रंग की लाइन बना दो because this is the line of water. It will increase the water content in the human body. If the person is very lazy, don't want to perform anything, increase the wood. So go here in the central line and put the green line here. It will increase the wood element and person will become active.
Sir, if a person is having fever, high fever, we can put blue color or black color.
Yeah, so person is having high fever we will be putting the blue color and the black color. Right now, I am telling you only on the water, but after some time, I will tell you at two places you have to put the color, right? आपको दो जगह color लगाना होगा. In the same way, person is having whatever we want to increase, जो भी हमें बढ़ाना है, we want to increase wood, put the green color here. We want to increase the earth, put the yellow color here. We want to increase the heat and hotness. So heat, put the red color here. We want to increase the metal, put the brown color here. So this is the 5 element treatment. इसी को तो 5 element treatment कहते हैं. इसी को तो color therapy कहते हैं. Right? We are telling this color therapy and these line are fixed. ये 5 element constitution की line fixed है. Like in the index finger, I have made the 3 lines and the middle finger, I have made the 3 lines. Okay. As per the Sujok concept, these lines are belonging to the 5 element. अब आपको लग रहा है यार बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, तो आपने पानी वाली लाइन पर थोड़ा सा काला पोत दिया, तो शरीर कूल हो जाएगा. In this way we can do. So this is just we are discussing how the 5 elements working in the human body. So here I will tell you.
Sir,
हाँ बोलिए.
सर अगर फायर पर्सनैलिटी है लेकिन इंटॉलरेंस ऑफ कोल्ड है तो फिर क्या करना?
देखो फिर क्या होगा ना, आपको पहले तो जाना होगा कि सबसे पहले आप फिजिकल पर जाएंगे और फिर मेंटल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर जाएंगे. फिजिकल मान लो पर्सन इज हैविंग टू मच इंटॉलरेंस टू द कोल्ड, तो पहले आपको उसके उस पर वर्क करना होगा. समटाइम देयर इज अ क्रॉस आल्सो, देन यू हैव टू गो लिटिल डीपर.
पर कौन
ट्रीटमेंट और भी आगे होगा क्योंकि अभी तो शुरुआत है, ट्रीटमेंट और भी आगे होगा. लेकिन इन जनरल फर्स्ट यू सपोज समवन इज हैविंग फीवर. मान लो उसकी पर्सनैलिटी है, वन पर्सन इज हैविंग कोल्ड पर्सनैलिटी बट हैविंग फीवर. राइट नाउ वी विल वर्क ऑन द फीवर और नॉट. अभी तो हम फीवर को ठीक करेंगे ना.
या
The person is having
Yes.
so we will work on that problem first. Our target will be that problem first. Okay. So now here we also can follow axis rule. यहाँ पर हम एक axis rule को भी follow कर सकते हैं. The meaning of axis rule is like the wood and earth are opposite. Kindly mute yourself. Unmute if. Are so look at now. They are the opposite axis. Like wood and earth are opposite. Wood or earth opposite हैं. Okay. If wood is high, you can increase the yellow color. And if his earth is high, you can increase the wood color. So you can always use opposite color. In the same way, if the heat is high, if the red is high, you can use the opposite color, that is white or brown. Okay. Or if the metal is too much, you can put the red color. In the same way, is water is high, you can put the opposite color like pink or red, pink color. In this way, तो इसे हम एक्सिस रूल कहते हैं. एक्सिस रूल का अर्थ है कि अगर आपको चल गया कि फीवर है, go with the opposite color, right? Go with the opposite color and put the color. This will discuss later on. इसको हम आगे समझेंगे, लेकिन अभी मैंने आपको बस एक छोटा सा 5 एलिमेंट के बारे में बताया. Now we will go in the more detail of the 5 elements. Okay.
सर जब बॉडी का कॉम्प्लेक्शन हम देखते हैं,
हाँ
कलर देखते हैं आई का, तो
हाँ.
उससे भी पता चलता है हमको कि वो कलर समझो रेड कलर है, तो कौन सा एलिमेंट
that is
एक्सेस
true.
है.
That is also true कि red color eyes का means heat in the eyes. Okay. आंखों में गर्मी है. Okay. And so accordingly we can find out. We have to discuss a little more thing like too much dampness in the eyes. Like थोड़ा सा आंखों में कीचड़ बन रहा है, dampness हो रही है. Earth element. Because just I told you earlier, the earth element means dampness, earth elements mean humidity. So whatever you see, or too much dryness in the eyes, dryness. dryness or degeneration, that is metal element. So we will see 5 element everywhere. अभी तो मैंने 5 element की शुरुआत की है. There are lots of things to discuss. I will quickly show you. Lots of things. Maybe I will discuss in the next class. So let's see here. We will discuss tissue. We will discuss too many things here about the food thing, food item and all. So continue the discussion of 5 elements. I need still, I think, 1 hour. Then we'll discuss entire 5 elements. So now we will be discussing these tomorrow. अब हम कल समझेंगे इसको, ठीक है? So continuing the class tomorrow, and so whatever we have discussed in the last 2 class, go through with all the things so that we can go with a very good speed. So after the 5 elements, tomorrow we'll complete the 5 element, then we can go to the next part of this basic TCM, right? So I hope understood. Anyone is having any doubt for the topic we discussed today?
Yesterday class, I missed it. If possible, can you share the recording, please?
Already shared.
सर
Yes,
आज
sir.
मॉर्निंग की ईओबी वाली रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगी क्या?
That is already shared.
So tomorrow we are
नहीं
having
नहीं
EOB
आई है,
class.
आज मॉर्निंग वाली नहीं आई
Yeah,
है
yeah. So
ग्रुप में.
tomorrow we don't have EOB class because tomorrow we have some program here.
नहीं आज की टुडे, आज
आज
मॉर्निंग की जो 8 बजे से
आज की
होती है.
already shared.
सर आज की नहीं शेयर हुई है, अभी तक तो नहीं हुई थी. सुपर वाला जो ग्रुप है.
नहीं हो गई है.
हो गई है.
हो
मैं फिर से कर दूंगा, ठीक है?
सर 25th का भी नहीं हुआ है शेयर.
सेशन 1 सेशन 2 दोनों हो गए हैं, मैं फिर से कर दूंगा.
ओके, थैंक यू.
हाँ जी, हो गई है. ओके.
YouTube में सब आ गई है.
YouTube में है, आप जाइए YouTube में सर्च करिए, नहीं तो मुझे मैसेज करिए, मैं आपको भेज दूंगा.
Okay,
sir.
Yeah.
So tomorrow morning we have no EOB class.
So tomorrow tomorrow we have program here morning to night. So night I think I'll be free, so I will take this class. But morning our program will start morning 6 a.m. So tomorrow morning there is no any class. But tomorrow evening we will take class. Okay? I hope you are able to understand whatever we are discussing in last 2 days.
Yes,
Able to
sir.
understand?
Yes,
Because in
sir.
the first 8 days purely
Yes, sir.
basics. So we will develop
Hello,
good
sir.
basics and we will understand. Yeah.
सर नमस्कार.
हाँ बोलिए. नमस्कार.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलिए.
कैन यू शेयर द चार्ट ऑफ बर्थ रेट सर?
Yeah,
बर्थ रेट एंड 5 एलिमेंट्स.
I will share.
ओके,
Okay.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
सर नमस्ते.
हाँ.
सर जैसे कोई एक ईयर है उसमें तो देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल बोर्न, सो व्हाई नॉट टू कंसीडर डेट और मंथ,
तो क्या
and
होता है ना
can we
कि
consider time
हाँ,
also,
हाँ, देखो इस
like
दुनिया
for
में
the finer tuning?
एंटायर यूनिवर्स इज 5 एलिमेंट. ओके, जितने भी लोग हैं वो सब 5 एलिमेंट में आते हैं. एवरी पीपल इज कमिंग अंडर द 5 एलिमेंट्स ओनली. तो 9 जैसे किसी का 90 पर्टिकुलर किसी ईयर में बर्थ हुआ है तो उस एलिमेंट में आएगा. फिर उसके सब डिविजन्स होंगे, तो उसके लिए फिर हमने समझा था, हमारा जो न्यूमरोलॉजी का कोर्स हुआ था ना, इन न्यूमरोलॉजी कोर्स वी हैव डिस्कस फर्स्ट वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द डेट ऑफ बर्थ, पर्सनैलिटी. फिर हम उसके अंदर गए, जैसे किसी ने बोला कि 16 जनवरी 1996, फिर उसके भी अंदर गए. फिर हमने उसके पूरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया. फिर हमने उसको कौन सी बीमारियां होंगी, उसका ट्रीटमेंट क्या होगा, वो सब हमने हमारा जो न्यूमरोलॉजी का कोर्स है उसमें ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है. यानी पहले मोटे तौर से, फिर उसके अंदर जाकर हमने पूरी खुदाई की है उसकी, राइट. तो वो ऑलरेडी हमारी वेबसाइट पर अवेलेबल है. उसका नाम है 5 एलिमेंट न्यूमरोलॉजी. आप सिर्फ डेट ऑफ बर्थ देखकर बता सकते हैं कि इसको क्या बीमारी हो रही है और उसके क्या पॉइंट्स हैं. ओके.
And sir, like in the family there are so many people, then how can we like the color of the walls can be changed, or can we have to avoid so many things, then how to proceed?
Yeah, actually, so the thing is this, first you have to understand the normal thing, right? अगर आपको जैसे डेफिनेटली आपको दीवारों का कलर चेंज नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी आपको अधूरी नॉलेज है ना, क्योंकि वास्तु की नॉलेज पूरी पर, लेकिन आपको पता तो होना चाहिए कि ये चीजें असर करती हैं, है ना. आपको बिकॉज यू आर ए acupuncturist, means you are doing balancing of the 5 elements in the human body. बट व्हेन यू बैलेंस द 5 एलिमेंट द स्पेस दैट इज वास्तु, आपको पता होना चाहिए, लेकिन करना नहीं है आपको। करना क्यों नहीं है? जब तक आपको पूरा ज्ञान नहीं है तब तक नहीं करना, क्योंकि घर में
सर,
बहुत
अगर
सारे लोग हैं। एक व्यक्ति का ठीक करोगे दूसरे का बिगड़ सकता है। मान लो
सर,
एक
अगर
व्यक्ति,
हमारे ही रूम में अगर व्हाइट कलर है और मुझे वुड की जरूरत है, तो ग्रीन पर्दे भी लगा सकते हैं, ग्रीन पेंटिंग भी लगा सकते
अब
हैं।
इसमें क्या होता है
दैट
कि
विल
आपको
आल्सो।
लगाने के पहले एक बात ध्यान रखना है कि फिर घर को भी हम 5 एनर्जीज में बांटते हैं। ओके, घर में इसीलिए कहते हैं ना कि घर के ईस्ट में एक्वेरियम रखो, घर के ईस्ट में मोर पंख रखो, है ना, क्योंकि वो वुड में आते हैं। घर के आपका जो उत्तर की दिशा है वहां पर पानी रखो, क्योंकि वो द नॉर्थ इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाटर। तो थोड़ा सा और स्टडी करिए, अगर आपको कुछ परिवर्तन करना है तो थोड़ा और पढ़िए। अभी जो जानकारी मिल रही है वो आपको बेसिक है, आप इमीडिएट उठा के कुछ परिवर्तन मत करना अभी, जब तक आपको पूरी जानकारी ना मिले। वेट करिए थोड़ा सा, है ना, और समझिए थोड़ा सा, या किसी से कंसल्ट करिए, कोई एक्सपर्ट वास्तु, उससे कंसल्ट करिए, वो आपको गाइड करेगा, है ना। सो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, नाउ सी यू टुमारो, कल मिलते हैं। ओके
Thank you, sir.
ओके, लेट्स क्लोज द सेशन।
Thank you, sir. Good night.